Hey guys, so I want to just tell you to open up your mind to other possibilities. So before I came to Columbus and started this journey with MCA and online marketing, I had lived in Cleveland. I thought that that is where I was going to be for the rest of my life. I didn't think that there was I knew there was other things out there, other cities to be explored and everything like that, but I just really didn't see myself any other place but just in Cleveland, on the west side of Cleveland, just staying there because it's somewhere that I really liked and enjoyed being over there. They had all the stores that I needed over there, and I just thought that that's where I was going to be for the rest of my life. And then when I came to Columbus, Ohio, it just opened me up to like so many other possibilities. You guys, this world has so much in it, and I'm not saying that you have to travel all over to different countries, because I just desire, I just want to go to one just really nice warm place, but I just encourage you to just open up your mind to possibilities. Where you are is not where you always have to be. There are other things in this world. There's other cities. There's other places. There are beautiful places in this world to explore and to go to. So don't limit yourself just where you are. Open up your mind to other things, to explore other opportunities that are out there. But this video is a little bit shorter, but I just wanted to just throw that out there. Open up your mind to other things that are out there. This world is a beautiful place. It has some beautiful places in it, and what really got me is when I first joined this opportunity, one of my mentors, who lives in Antigua, and it's just so beautiful there. Now, I don't necessarily have to go there, but it just opened up my mind to see, oh my gosh, there's so much beauty in this world. And I guess you can tell I haven't been many places in my life, but I'm so glad that now my mind is open to seeing that there are just really beautiful places out there that I can get to. So I just want to just throw that out there, open up your mind, and just go for it. Just go for it. I'm just at a place in my life right now where I just want to go for it because I just want the best that life has to offer. I don't want to just be stuck in one place. So I just want to encourage you just to step out, like I keep saying it, just step out, step out and do it. So make today, and every day your best day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.